What are you doing? You're gonna sit down? Are you tired? Are you tired, Giselle? Yeah, you're tired? What are you doing? I see you. You gonna jump? Are you gonna jump? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I gotta get you, Giselle. Jump. Jump. No? Say hi, Poppy. No? Why are you mad? You're gonna fall. The guys. Eyes deep. Why are you being crazy? Giselle, you're gonna fall. I see you. Gonna get off? Are you done? Bye. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Mommy's gonna jump. Can Mommy jump? No? Ah! Why can't I jump? I wanna jump. Please? Can I jump? Can I jump too? Yeah? I can jump? Oh man, can I jump? Yeah? Can I jump? See? Mommy can go in there too? Yes? No, you're closing it? Can I go in there? Can I go in there? I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go jump. Mommy gonna jump. Bum. Whoa, you attacked my leg. You don't let me go in? Please, can I go in? Hey, be nice. Giselle, be nice. Giselle, look. Can I see your face? Where's my baby? Okay, I'm gonna go jump. Can I jump? Mommy gonna go? Can I go inside? Yeah? Can I go jump? Okay. Mommy go jump. Mommy gonna jump. Can Mommy go jump? See? Can I go in there? Okay. Bye, Giselle. Where are you going?